The first thing that comes to your mind when you think of the words purchase, replacement, or maintenance of your air conditioner, it's very likely an image of an empty wallet popped up in your head. Yes, it can be hard to get any of these things, especially if you have a bad credit score. There is the option of make do without one, but that just doesn't seem practical or comfortable if you're in a warm climate region. Technology, after all, is meant for your comfort, as is your earning. Not to worry, here at HVAC Freelancer, we can guide you to a way around that. For an urgent repair or replacement, consider taking a personal home improvement loan and a home improvement credit card. You'll get a repayment term of about 3 to 7 years, which will help keep your repayments easy and you'll get fixed monthly payments. Now, who would lend you money with a bad credit score? Don't worry about that either. All you have to do is look. Search for the best lending partners near you that can work with a wide array of credit scores. Some financial lenders are willing to give a quick loan, even if your credit score is low. You can submit your application for HVAC financing and weigh your options without dampening your credit score even further. There are several solutions, and you can pick whatever suits you best according to your financial state and convenience. For more HVAC videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. To know more about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description.